Hi guys! I don't know if you've seen this movie making the rounds of the internet with a guy using a chainsaw trying to cut a hole in the ceiling and almost splitting his head in half. Well, he must have been quite surprised, but I'm even more surprised by the comments I'm seeing under that movie, where many people are saying the movie's fake, it's run backwards, or that if there was actually a kickback like that of a saw, he would have split his head in half, so it's impossible it's staged, and so on and so on. So, I got this presentation unit here. As you can see, the battery was disattached as I was making that thumbnail picture with a saw against the cap. So, better safe than sorry. Also, I have a piece of tape stuck here, but it's hidden. Let me just try to move this a bit forward. So as you can see, there's a piece of tape stuck to the chain just to visualize the rotation. A small car here just to visualize the position. Let me just run the saw for a second. So as you can see, the chain is spinning forward like this, exactly like the wheels on a car. And when the wheels on a car spin like that, of course, it travels this way. So let me just move the camera here. So let's suppose we have a road here. The car is driving, then we have a wall up ahead. It'll drive up. It'll drive up, then it'll go against the ceiling. And which way will it go? No, not that way. It'll go this way. And that's why this part hit his head. But why didn't he split his head in half? Fortunately, all modern saws are equipped with something like this. It's a special brake, so-called kickback protection, designed especially for that purpose. So let's run the saw. As you can see, this immediately stops the chain. Well, this is an electric saw, so this is pretty instant. In a chainsaw run by a gas motor like he had, it just takes a bit longer, so although it's still a fraction of a second. Nevertheless, I suspect he has a nice cut on his head, but only the skin without actually damaging the bone. Hopefully, because we haven't seen him turning around. But with large probability, that movie is actually real, not staged. So be careful when you do some housework like that, especially if you want to cut a hole in the ceiling. Better hire a professional to do that job. But that's enough about our saw. Let's just take the battery out and let's do some unboxing. There we got two packages. One from Podlasie region with some excellent meats. Since COVID started, I've been trying out different suppliers of foods. So this is from a really nice region of Poland with fresh air, clean water, and so on. Although it's mostly not from that region, but across the border from not Belarus, but Ukraine. So we'll see what's in there. But here we also have some interesting thing. Replacement handles for pots, or actually pot covers. So if you cook a lot, you might be tempted to sometimes take the whole pot, pop it in the oven to keep it warm, or even cook something at a higher temperature. And these plastic bits unfortunately don't handle well high temperatures. Although I have a cast iron pot with a cover with a plastic handle, and this stuff is amazing. I don't know what this is made out of, but I've been running the cast iron pot at temperatures of 275, even up to 300 centigrade, and that thing is holding up really well. But unfortunately, this one in this cover, as you can see, fell apart. So I thought it would be a good idea to get some good replacements and to make sure that they don't fall apart in the oven. These are all metal. So let's take a look what's in the package. Gentleman's knife you might have seen in my previous movie, now nicely sharpened. thought we'll be missing the screws, but they're also included as part of the set. Okay, so we've got a screw, we've got a washer, this rubber or silicone bit so you don't crack the glass, and a nice screw, decorative screw like that from the other side, from the top of a pot. And as you can see, we even didn't need a screwdriver, just twisting this handle. Got it nicely attached, fits perfectly. So I think I'll even replace the handles on the other pot covers where I have plastic handles. After all, we've got plenty of them. So let's move to the other side of the table and check out this package from Podlasia. All 5 covers nicely upgraded, and looking at the old handles, the plastic is starting to crack, so it was nevertheless time to get them replaced. Okay, so I was saying Belarus or Ukraine, but that's not true. All products are in fact from Lithuania. Scent is already amazing. To start off, we've got some Lithuanian bread, really nice and heavy, not like the fake stuff with artificial leavening agents, and this can really hold up really well for some time, although it won't. With this amazing taste, it'll be gone in no time. Pig lard. If you don't know what this is, you would be surprised how well this tastes. Swern and Claytis sausages, although I think it's more like salami. Dried pig neck, although it looks like much better meat, because as you can see, there's basically no fat in it. Sartus and Xemaitiska, some more dried sausages. Grafu. Skilandie Kytenos. I have no idea how to pronounce these names, although the products look amazing, and I have no idea what to try first because these are nicely vacuum packed. So I think we should throw some in the freezer because we're not gonna eat all this at once. Quite a bit of stuff for 194 Polish zloty. So that's something like $50. $50 for really quality meats. So I'll try something off camera, not to get your mouth watering. And this will be it for today. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.